Morning all, Wednesday the 8th of December. Big story from yesterday. Well, it was a huge rally in the stock markets. We've done really well selling the stock markets recently, catching some pretty big moves. But I didn't catch yesterday's move. I did not see that coming at all. We broke through resistance levels and we kept going. If you managed to buy a break above the resistance levels, then you've done very well. I hope you did. I didn't actually manage to do that. Got stopped out and left it alone. Okay, so stock markets didn't work for me yesterday. I hope they did for you, but we have got some good stuff going on this morning. Now, I'm starting with gold. We've had that resistance level in gold around in the high 1780 area, sort of 1786, 1789, with shorts stopping above 1792. Looks like that trade's starting to work now. If you've jumped into a short position there, we've got a high just above 1791. So we got close to the stop actually, but not close enough, thankfully. And hopefully we are moving down now. Gold is very difficult to read actually on the longer term charts. Let me show you the daily chart. Really, gold is just in one big sideways trend, a huge sort of sideways wedge, really going all the way back to December 2020. So going all the way back a year. That, if you were looking at it, trying to figure out where the market's going to go, well, good luck. I don't know what that tells you. Moving average resistance, I suppose, around where we are now. So that is probably helping our short position. But as you can see, the moving averages are clustering together and flatlining, which just emphasizes the fact that that gold really is in a longer term sideways trend. Canadian dollar versus the Japanese yen has had a real good run up to this 38.2% fib around 89.91 that you can see on the daily chart. Ties in quite nicely with this swing low down here around 89.70. So that ties in with our resistance level. What did I have that on my spreadsheet today? 89.75, 89.90 was specifically my sell level. And when you look at it on the 4-hour chart, we have some short-term Fibonacci resistance there, plus the 100-period moving average on the 4-hour chart. So nice resistance level, and we appear to have held that, and we appear to be pulling back. So our shorts at that 89.75, 90 level hopefully will start to work. And if we're lucky, we'll see the market down as far as 89.10, 89.00, which is really the only support level of the day that I can see. I would be very happy to take sort of 70 pips, 60, 70 pips out of that trade today. So now looking for the dollar to strengthen against the Canadian. So dollar CAD bouncing off a real good support level. I was quite surprised we broke this level here yesterday around the low 127.00 area. Thought we'd have a nice bounce off there. Anyway, it didn't. We broke the 100 period moving average on the 4-hour chart, and we collapsed down to the next target and the next support level down around sort of 127, 126.40. So if you've jumped into a long position there, it's starting to work already. We're very oversold on the 4-hour chart as well. I could show you a little bit of support actually just to back it up on the daily chart. Not a big level, but it helps. The 23.6% fib on the much longer term chart around 126.31. Tying in with a little bit of a swing low down here, as you can see. So anyway, we have long positions in the dollar CAD. We'll see if they continue to work. The dollar very much in a bear trend for the last month and a bit, as you can see, since the end of October. Well, actually, we've been in a bear trend from at least March or February of this year. So the idea is you sell into strength when you are in a bear trend and when you hit the resistance level, and that's what we're doing now around 71.25. So I had my sell level at, where did I have it? Let me just check my spreadsheet. 71.20, 71.40. So actually we caught the exact high. Now, we haven't come down yet. I'm hoping we do come down. I'll need to see the market below 71.20 to have some confidence in our short position. If we do break higher, then we could go up very quickly to 72.00, 72.10. Hopefully we will sink down towards maybe 70.60, 70.50 for a nice profit take on our short position. I haven't put this trade on myself actually for some reason, but we did hit resistance in the dollar yen at that 113.60, 70 area, and we are backing away from there. So if you have that short position on, you're looking all right there. 113.30, 113.20 would be the first target. Euro's not doing much. It's one of the less volatile currencies at the moment. I've got a nice resistance level up around sort of 128.90, but we haven't got anywhere near that yet. We're just trading sideways in a pretty bearish trend at the moment for the euro yen. The subject of the euro US dollar, we were selling up here at that fib resistance around 113.50, 113.60. At the beginning of the month, really, it's taken a long time for the market to drift to lower. And if we get back up to that sort of 113.50, 113.60 area, probably worth trying a short again. Looks like the only resistance, particularly. Although look how we're tracking the 100 period moving average on the 4-hour chart, which does seem to be holding the price back, shall we say. 4-hour chart really has been useful for everything at the moment. I'm really focusing on that at the moment. The 1-hour chart seems a little bit too short term for reliable levels, and you can see this in cable. Just the fib levels, the moving averages, combining on the 4-hour chart, working really well for cable. You can see the first resistance at 132.90 has been holding. If we were to get as far as 133.40, 133.50, it worked last time, and I would be interested in trying a short position up there again, seeing if the market reverses. But we are clearly in a bear trend, so probably more likely to break the November low than we are to reach this resistance level at the moment. That's it for today. If you have these positions on, if you're a subscriber and you've got these positions on, it's 7:14 at the moment, and you've received the reports, and obviously you probably have some of these positions on from yesterday anyway. So hopefully they are working for you. If you're watching this delayed on YouTube or anywhere else, then contact me if I can help you. Post any comments in the comment box below, and please do visit our website. Let me show you where that is. Here we are, daytradeideas.co.uk. Please pay us a visit, have a look at the products we offer, have a look at the analysis and trade signals, trade ideas that we post every day for our subscribers by 7 a.m. And do contact me on the Contact Us page if there's anything I can do to help you. Okay, good luck with your trading today, and catch up with me again tomorrow morning.